The founder and owner of Buffer, Sean Turner, is in the hot seat hanging out with me. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Chad.
What did you guys decide to do?
Yeah, so we actually saw it was Dick's Sporting Goods along with all these other woke companies, these large corporations, and they were coming out just saying, hey, go have a weekend abortion, come back to the office on Monday, we'll pay $4,000. And we thought, surely there's got to be another alternative solution. Yeah. And so we just came up with the simple, hey, we're going to offer to pay for our employees to have babies. We're going to, if you want to expand your family through adoption, we're going to put funds towards that. And then we're also going to give you time off. We're going to give you time to spend with that newborn, whether you're a female employee or even the father. And so we have paternity leave, not because we believe men can get pregnant, but because we believe supporting fathers with their young ones.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah.
See, there's so many options out there that people don't want to talk about. You know, we had Jackie Daly on last week. She was talking about, she said, you know, people say, well, you can either, you know, have a baby or have an abortion or blah, 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 and all these things. She said, or you could, even if it's premature and there's a problem, you could have a C-section and actually deliver. I mean, there's so many of these options that are out there that, but you hear the narrative and it's like, oh, I've got to figure out a way to get my abortion. You're providing a solution for people to actually be supported in having their baby.
Yeah, we want to make it easy to have and grow your family. And so a lot of companies have made it easy for them to get rid of their baby because really that's kind of in their best interest because you're not out for 6 to 12 weeks doing maternity leave. You're out for a weekend and then you come back and we just believe that even though it's more expensive, the best benefit that we could provide is making it easy to have the baby because in the long-term interest of our employees, it's going to be better for their health and happiness.
Yeah, last week I posted a tweet where I said these companies, they realize it's cheaper to pay for your abortion than it is to pay you for maternity leave.
Yeah.
So they're not stupid in that regard. Economically, they're appearing woke, but they're happy to fund your baby killing spree. I mean, you jump on an airplane and go to Hawaii once a month, just keep getting pregnant and going to have, you know, and have a company paid vacation. Yeah, you got to have a little medical procedure while you're there.
Yeah.
Have you got any pushback on this?
You know, we've had a swelling support of thousands. Our email, our phone system, our social media is exploding because people love what we're doing. And our goal is to really activate small and medium-sized businesses because it's hard for them to implement maternity leave. You have to maybe plan months in advance because there's less employees to spread that workload versus at a large corporation, there's redundancy in employees. And so it's easy for them to spread out that load. So,
Sean walked in today, and when we met, he had his sport coat and his button-up shirt and everything, and I was like, you can change into that if you want to and look like an insurance guy, or you could just stay the way you are and relax, and I'm glad you chilled. But I want, like right now, everybody's going, what's the name of this company? Buffer Insurance in Southlake, Texas. I hope your phone lines light up after people watch this episode.
Oh, I'm sure they will.
And emails come pouring in, and people are moving their policies over to you. I'm not kidding on this stuff, and this is not an endorsement. You know, you didn't pay me to come on the show. We heard about your story, and I was like, we got to talk to Sean.
Yeah.
It's so. I hope your business explodes because of this. I mean, I'm talking selfishly. I just hope that it just explodes because of this.
Yeah.
I want it to because this is the type of parallel economy type stuff that I think is where we've got to go. Of people saying, you know, no, we're going to put our money where our mouth is.
Yeah.
And we're going to support what our convictions are. Yeah. You're a veteran.
Yes.
Army guy.
Yep.
I don't trust those Army guys. They steal your women. The Navy guys I don't worry about because they're a little funny. But you have those convictions, those values that kind of drive that. How long you guys been in business?
Only 4 years. And so to your point, though, we tell people you can vote at the ballot box, but sometimes it's more impactful to vote with your dollars. And
100%.
So we would love for our business to explode. We might have new problems because of that.